Good one. Have a look, Diego. Go in. Papa cleaned it and put a table in. Now leave that one up. Yeah. How do you like the new table? You like it?
This one?
Yeah. So don't stand on it, but you can put like a drawing on it or like a drink. Put the drink on it. That's the table. Yeah. How about it? Jacob, close the door.
Close door.
Alright, Papa, come up. Yeah?